Recognizing environmental cues, a key to weight loss success. Weight loss isn't just about calories in and calories out. It's also about something far less obvious, our environment. The hidden triggers around us shape how, when, and why we eat. Today, let's explore how recognizing environmental cues can become your secret weapon in achieving weight loss success. Understanding the hidden triggers. Our surroundings play a huge role in how much we eat. Think about it. Have you ever walked into a kitchen and suddenly felt hungry just because you saw a snack on the counter? That's an environmental cue at work. What are environmental cues? Environmental cues are external signals that influence our eating even if we're not hungry. They can be subtle or obvious, but they often slip past our awareness. Here are some of the most common ones. Time of day. Eating out of habit at 12 p.m. because it's lunchtime, not because you're hungry. Social cues. Having dinner with friends and eating just because everyone else is. Emotional cues. Stress, boredom, or loneliness leading you straight to comfort food. Sensory cues. The smell of popcorn at the movie theater making you crave it instantly. Food availability. Keeping candy at your desk, practically inviting yourself to snack. How environmental cues impact eating habits. These cues can quietly derail your goals. Without realizing it, you might fall into patterns like mindless eating, eating while watching TV or scrolling your phone. Emotional eating, using food to soothe feelings of stress or sadness. Social eating, letting peer pressure push you towards bigger portions or unhealthy choices. Strategies to overcome environmental cues. Luckily, once you learn to recognize these triggers, you can take back control. Here are some powerful strategies. 1. Mindful eating. Pay attention and savor each bite. Eat slowly and notice hunger and fullness signals. Eliminate distractions at mealtime. 2. Create a healthy food environment. Stock your home with healthy choices. Keep junk food out of sight or, better yet, out of the house. Use smaller plates to naturally reduce portions. 3. Manage emotional eating. Recognize when stress, not hunger, drives you to food. Try healthy coping methods like yoga, journaling, or meditation. Seek support from friends or even a counselor when needed. 4. Navigate social eating. Be mindful of portion sizes at parties. Choose healthier dishes and share when possible. Set personal limits, especially with food and drinks. Environmental cues will always be around us, but they don't have to control us. By becoming aware of these triggers and making small, mindful changes, you can stay on track with your weight loss journey. Remember, it's not just about food, it's about the environment you create for yourself.